Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed for those of you in the massage industry or anyone looking for a portable, comfortable chair for your clients. We're talking about the Apollo Extra Large Size Portable Massage Chair. This chair promises ultimate relaxation, portability, and comfort. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, a bit about the Apollo Portable Massage Chair. It's a lightweight aluminum folding massage chair, weighing in at just 18 pounds. The chair is designed to be easy to transport, making it ideal for massage therapists on the go. Whether you're moving between client appointments or heading to an event, the convenience factor here is key. It's also equipped with oversized cushions for added comfort, designed to fit a wide range of body types. Now on to the real-world testing. I had the chance to give this chair a go in a few different settings, both for myself and for my husband, who's a massage therapist. What immediately stands out is the size of the cushions. The 2-inch cushion is thick and plush, which really adds to the overall comfort during a session. It's not too firm, but it's supportive enough to make sure clients of all sizes feel comfortable. The adjustable frame is easy to modify, with a width of 19-inch, length of 29 inches, and height of 50-inch, which allowed both of us to find a good fit, whether we're sitting or lying down. The frame is strong, and the chair doesn't wobble, even when my husband, who is on the heavier side, sat on it. One of the best features is the portability. The chair is foldable and comes with a wheeled carrying case, which is a huge win if you need to pack up and move quickly. The design is sturdy, and it supports up to 650 pounds, so it's more than enough for most users. As for the overall experience, my husband used the chair for multiple sessions with clients and noted that it felt comfortable and stable throughout. There was no noticeable discomfort or strain for clients, and they appreciated the larger cushions. However, one minor downside is that the chair can be a little bulky for some smaller storage spaces, so it might not be the best option if you're looking for something that tucks away easily in a closet. Let's break down the pros and cons. The pros? The large cushions are incredibly comfortable, providing excellent support during a session. It's lightweight and easy to transport, which is great for professionals who work in multiple locations. The frame is sturdy, with an impressive weight capacity of up to 650 pounds. The no-mark finish keeps the chair looking good as new, even after extended use. The chair includes accessories like a 6-way adjustable face cradle, memory foam face pillow, and a handy session pouch for small items like eyeglasses or jewelry. On the downside, the size and weight can make it slightly difficult to store in smaller spaces, so you'll need a dedicated area to keep it when not in use. Now, what about value for money? The Apollo Portable Massage Chair offers excellent durability and comfort, which justifies its price point. When you compare it to other portable massage chairs, it stands out for its extra large cushions and robust frame. While you could find cheaper options, they likely won't offer the same level of comfort, adjustability, or weight capacity. In terms of build quality, the chair is solid. The aircraft quality aluminum frame feels sturdy, and it's designed to last. The cushions, while thick and plush, still hold up well after several uses, and the no-mark finish definitely helps maintain its appearance. I was impressed with how easy it was to fold and unfold, and the chair feels incredibly stable, even with heavier clients. If you're considering alternatives, there are cheaper chairs on the market that may provide similar functionality. However, they may lack the premium features of this chair, like the oversized cushions or the weight capacity. If you're willing to invest a little more, though, the Apollo chair is definitely a worthwhile option. So what's the final verdict? The Apollo Portable Massage Chair is an excellent choice for professionals who need something that's not only comfortable, but also portable and sturdy. With its large cushions, adjustable frame, and impressive weight capacity, it provides a high level of comfort for clients of all sizes. The build quality and included accessories are also big wins. While it's not the smallest chair on the market, it's definitely a top contender in terms of comfort and convenience. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing the Apollo Portable Massage Chair, the link will be in the description or comments below. And if you've used this chair, drop a comment to share your own experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.